If you're looking for a QuickBooks course on Coursera, you're probably wondering which one is worth taking. In this review, I'll cover the best QuickBooks courses on Coursera and explain why Coursera Plus can save you money if you want to build your bookkeeping and accounting skills. Before we begin, check the discount link in the description. Eligible learners can get 40% off the Coursera Plus monthly plan for the first 3 months. Let's start with the best option. The Intuit Academy Bookkeeping Professional Certificate is my top recommendation. It has a 4.6-star rating with more than 8,400 reviews. This beginner-friendly program teaches bookkeeping, financial statements, reconciliation, payroll, inventory, and accounting fundamentals. It's an excellent choice if you're preparing for bookkeeping or accounting roles. Another good choice is Introduction to QuickBooks Online and Setting Up Your Business. This beginner course walks you through setting up QuickBooks Online, managing bookkeeping, financial reporting, accounts payable and receivable, and inventory. It's ideal for small business owners or anyone new to QuickBooks. If you want more advanced training, consider Master QuickBooks Online and Desktop for bookkeeping. This specialization covers reconciliation, payroll, month-end closing, invoicing, and accounting workflows. It's a solid option for learners who already understand the basics and want to improve their skills. So, is a QuickBooks course on Coursera worth it? Yes, especially if you're interested in bookkeeping, accounting, finance, or managing a small business. These courses teach practical skills that you can use immediately and include certificates you can add to your resume. The biggest question is cost. Individual learning programs typically cost around $49 to $79 per month. If you purchase several courses separately, the total can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter choice. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates and explore other accounting, finance, Excel, and business courses without paying for each one individually. If you're planning to take more than one QuickBooks or bookkeeping course, Coursera Plus offers much better value. Check the discount link in the description to see if the current 40% off offer for the first 3 months is still available.